All right, we're back on the record in the case of the state of Michigan versus Vincent Klein, case number 23S00005. In this particular case, Mr. Klein before the court because there's an allegation that he removed his tether. We've had extensive conversations and breakout with his counsel and the prosecution and probation regarding this matter. Mr. Klein's behavior since he's been coming back and forth to court here. This is not conducive to someone who is extremely serious about their recovery. He is in a program right now. Apparently he was discharged from the recovery court and they gave him just regular felony probation. He has done a total of 279 days of Washington County Jail on this particular case, unless there's strong objection. It's my intent to withdraw or dismiss the violation and just discharge him without improvement with the 279 days he's done.
What does conducive mean?
It means you're not really working towards probation. There's always recovery. There's always something that comes up.
Well, I don't know what has come up because I haven't had no problems.
Vince, hold on now. Hold on.
I didn't take my tether off. They have my tether.
Vince,
there's nothing wrong with it. There's no altering. I mean, she just accused me of doing something. I've been making.
Okay, let's not
improvements.
I know. Okay, just be easy a little bit. Let her finish.
No, he can keep talking because he was about to get one sentence. Now he's looking at another one. He filled out a recovery report, which was a part of his probation condition. If he wants to keep talking, then I can just go ahead and give him the 365 days in Washington County Jail.
No, Your Honor, he's okay. All right.
You guy's attorney is excellent. No. You don't need to do that, Judge. She just said, I'm letting you out, time served, effectively. And then he starts an argument with her.
So I think he has a strong objection to that sentence.
No, Your Honor, we apologize for that.
No, you apologize. He's not apologizing for anything.
As far as my understanding is, you just accused me of tampering with my tether. You just accused me of not making improvements in my sobriety. You just accused me of not making improvements in my probation. Am I wrong about that?
All right. So, Mr.
So therefore, I'm upset. I'm expressing why I'm upset about this.
Held in contempt, of course. You talk over me one more time.
I'm not trying to talk over you. See now, okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You are at this point in time arraigned on a violation of probation at which it is alleged that you removed your GPS tether on February 2nd, 2025. What would your client like to do about that?
That's a lie. They have my tether. There's nothing wrong with it. I didn't remove anything. As soon as it came off when I was changing my clothes. As soon as it came off.
Vince, hold on. Okay.
You asked me a question.
I know. Your Honor, I'm sorry about this. We're a little frustrated. I get it. But Your Honor, could I just have a breakout room with him? We'll come back.
No. He's got 30 days in the Washington County Jail. Now,
I haven't done anything but do my damage I've been staying clean and I've been following all my things and I've been working hard. I've been doing everything I need to do and some. I've been going out of my way to do this. I just tried to answer your question.
I didn't ask you a question.
You did just, so you said the thing about the tether. You asked me.
I didn't ask you a thing.
You said the thing about the tether, which was accurate. And your behavior is only confirming that.
All right, because I don't understand what's going on here, and so I'm wrong. I don't feel this is fair.
What would your client like to do about the violation of probation?
Your Honor, well, I would have liked to adjourn the violation of probation to get some more information on it. But if court's not inclined,
Not
What-
inclined.
okay, then we're willing to accept responsibility that the tether has been removed with an explanation.
Can I say something? Not.
No, you cannot. Mr. Mansour, the allegation is that he removed his GPS tether. So that is what we're working from.
Well, then, Your Honor, then we're going to have to accept responsibility for that with an explanation because yeah, we'll accept responsibility.
You say we, when you have a client who is saying clearly that he's denying that.
Can I talk to my attorney in the breakout room, please?
I'll put you two in a breakout room. You still have 30 days for your behavior in court here today. The court will recall the matter of the State of Michigan versus Vincent Klein, case number 23-00005.
Give me what's for the people.
And Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Vincent Klein. Vince, can you state your name for the judge again, please?
Vincent Patrick Klein.
All right, Mr. Mansour, you want to talk to your client about what he wants to do about this violation?
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, I'm going to ask to approach. I don't want to waste the court's time. I'm just hoping, just one final ditch effort. We just want to sincerely apologize. If you allow him, he will apologize as well. Your Honor, you've been nothing but fair with him. Please, if you would consider just want this last opportunity to, stay with what we discussed in the breakout room.
Mr. Klein is one of the most disrespectful defendants I've ever seen. He always has been. So I am not willing to do that anymore. I was going to just give him a break, but he doesn't. That's not what we're doing anymore.
Can I talk to you, Your Honor? I want to say, I know I have issues, but I have good intentions. I did not know.
I know I have issues, but I have good intentions. Oh yeah, that's top notch.
You was helping me. I thought you was messing me over, and I just have anxiety with all this stuff been going on, and I've really been trying, but I do know that my deliverance, how I think I'm delivering, people not always getting it like that.
Anxiety leads to constipation.
And I just want to apologize for my conduct, but that
was good. That was good, Vince. I mean, he is, Your Honor, he that's what he told me.
Yeah, I think he's trying to say delivery, but then he says deliverance, which makes us all think banjos, which is actually perfect.
In the breakout room too. He thought this was going a completely different direction. He's misunderstanding where we were going. He does work on his mental health. He thought we were going on the route of saying that he, wasn't working on himself or made any improvements. And he's sorry that happened. He really is. And we're just hoping he would, see where he's coming from.
Look at the expression on Judge Washington's face. Does it appear like she's buying this?
We don't want to have a hearing. We just hope for your grace, please.
I think that if Mr. Klein wasn't being disrespectful, he would have been able to hear what I was saying versus him trying to overtalk me on numerous occasions, although I asked him to stop talking.
You're right, Your Honor. But I did not intend to disrespect you, though. But I understand it.
Yeah, you did, but that's okay. I mean, I like that you've changed your tone, but no, you were intentionally disrespectful.
Like I said, people always get the deliverance that way. I got upset because I did not know it was, I thought it was a bad thing because what you said, I know it was good. I don't want it to turn into something bad because of that. When I just didn't intend to disrespect, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know how to say it.
I know what you're,
I just, sorry.
I know exactly what you're saying. And I know exactly why you're saying it. You're saying it now because you want to get what was going to happen in the first place as the consequence. But when you thought something bad was happening, you were completely and totally disrespectful. And that is the problem I have.
I was not trying to cut you off or disrespect you. He explained to me that it was going to be something different than what I thought it was.
I
And
know
I got
that.
anxiety. Huh?
Miss Woods?
Judge, I'm gonna leave this into your discretion how you want to handle the behavior of the defendant during his hearing today.
Behavior in this case is disgusting.
All right. Mr. Klein can just move on before he ends up doing a whole bunch of time for more than... I hope that he figures things out in his life. I really do. 279 days credit in the Washington County Jail. 279 days in the Washington County Jail credit for time served. Fines and costs waived. He's discharged without improvement.
Yeah, thank you so much. Vince, you are a very big thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
Hi, Mr. Clark.
But
Thanks, Ron.
Heck, it's a double rainbow. Hey, Cal, look at that. It's a double rainbow.
Well, there you have it. Just a quickie. The man of the hour is Matthew Mansour, who threw himself on that grenade for his client. Judge Washington was rightfully indignant about his behavior, and she did it out of respect for an attorney that she respects. She didn't like it. She didn't like it, but she let it go. There is a classic example of how an attorney can help you. I mean, most people don't need to be told to shut up when they're being let out, but this guy did. But it was beyond that. Now you've introduced somebody less offensive than you that the judge doesn't want to insult. He really did a good job. Clap it out for Matthew. It's just ugly. He's sitting there apologizing up and down for stuff he didn't do. But it worked. Thanks again, Alyssa, for that. I'll see y'all soon.